everybody. It's National Margarita Day. So what else are we gonna do but make a jam-rita? I'm so excited. So there's totally so many ways you can use jam, and this is one of the fabulous ways. So we've got a glass here. Get a lemon or a lime. Today we've got lemons. And we just want to rub this around the edge of the glass as we listen to music. Dilly is helping us today because even mamas need margaritas. Anyway, get it good and lemon or limed up. And then this is actually some chili lime salt that I have actually in the store. It is delightful. It's so good. It's good on meats and chickens, but it's also good on the rim of a margarita glass. So anyway, just get it good and salted up. And then my friend Stormy told me you just tap it to make sure you don't get too much in your drink. So we've got our glass ready, and now we are going to do the thing. So we have 2 ounces of tequila. This is a fun tequila here. It's a Republic tequila, organic añejo, if you will. My father would be proud. So 2 ounces. These are gonna be strong for mama, dilly dill. So we've got that. You cannot have the tequila, it's too soon, young thing. And then we have 1 ounce of triple sec, which is fun. Ooh, yummy yum. It's okay if it falls down. And then we've got the lemon or lime juice. Perfect. And then to make it special, we have the jam for the jam-rita. Now today we're using a strawberry jalapeno to make it a little spicy. And you put 2 dollops, 2 good heaping spoons. You're gonna get some jam, don't worry. It's gonna be great. So we put 2 of these in there, Dilly. And then we fill the rest of it with ice that has frozen. And then we shaky. Now, if you do not have a cocktail shaker, that is totally okay because you can use a mason jar. Isn't that fun? One of these little dills, perfect for a 1 cup drink. So we put that on and we just shake it. And this is where you look really cool when you stand back and you look like a James Bond girl. Anyway, so you shake it up, and when it starts getting really kind of, see how it's frosting up like this? This is brilliant. You take off the lid, and I don't strain it, although you can, and you pour it in there. Get all that good jamness in there. Yep. Oh yeah. And then we just do a little garnish with lemon or lime. And we're gonna put that there. Yep. And we're gonna put another garnish of a strawberry so people know what's in it. That's what they always say on Food Network. And then you ask someone else to partake, perhaps a mama, if you will. And we say, Happy National Margarita Day!